Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, in today's video I have come to answer some of the questions that some of you asked me in my previous video. And one question came from Shinaz. He or she asked me, how do I verify the work permit? Well guys, before I start, I'm going to be answering your questions. Like if you put in the questions in the comment section, I'll be answering them in the next video. I'm making a video of what you've asked me in my previous video. So when you ask me something, make sure that you check the next video. You could probably find your answer in the video that I've uploaded. You understand guys? So I'm answering this guy's question. And yes, even if you didn't ask me, you could find that this question that these other people asked me could be of importance to you. So Shinaz asked me, how do I verify a work permit? Well guys, we all know that a work permit is a legal document that allows you to work in Serbia legally. And how do you obtain the work permit? It is the employer that obtains the work permit by applying it to the National Employment Bureau of Service, which is NSZ, and I'll quote for you the website. And your employer makes a market research that there is no any local Serbian that is able to do that job. You understand guys? And when the report is made, also the NSZ makes its findings. If true there's nobody that is unable to do the job, even if they find, and when that person does not qualify and your employer wants really that particular person or foreigner, then he must give those reasons why he is interested in that person, like the foreign worker. Yes, so guys, this when your work permit is issued or is provided to you, because I believe with work permits it's hard that you don't, it's possible to be that you don't know the employer you meet online, what. But if your work permit is provided, this is how you can verify your work permit. One, you can verify with NSZ. I'll quote the website. You can ask them if your work permit is legit. And number two, you can verify all the information provided to you, like the inconsistency, the data given to you in your work permit invitation letter, if it's okay, like it's matching. How do we verify the employer? You can check on the website and check if he's registered, if he's operating legally, and the company has the website. Like another thing, you can check the inconsistency, or you can check the consistency of the data given to you in the invitation and the work permit. How do you check? Because you can find that your name on the invitation, maybe the second name is for another person. You can find that your passport number on the invitation is not yours, but is for another person. The address and how you verify the supplier? You can check the location of the address given to you. Is it really exist? Because you can find that the address doesn't even exist. You can find that the person issuing you an invitation letter is not even known in the company. You find that the telephone number of the recruiter or your employer doesn't even go through. Because some people, I understand, they just buy SIM cards and use them and pretend that they are in Serbia when they are not in Serbia. But how can you verify that this employer is really legit? When you call their numbers and they go through and they pick up, but when you call and doesn't go through. So guys, be very observant and very, very careful about that. Before you even contact the NS, verify that information, verify the address, because all companies here have addresses. They have numbers, they have, you can even Google, you can check and see, because it's very hard for a company to operate in a wrong address, even if somebody drives there, So guys, at least you can check in that. Some people are given invitation with wrong address. Somebody's in let's say somebody is in country A, but is given an address in country B. Guys, I don't want to laugh, but it's funny, yeah? So before I go to the next question, be very careful about that. You understand, guys? And okay, I'm going to the next question. This came from Elizabeth, and he asked, can I change my visitor's visa to a work visa in Serbia? Well guys, this is a bit tricky, but it's very hard for an employer to employ you on a C visa, because a C visa is just 3 months. And this, with the system now, once you come with the C visa, you have to go back and come back with a D visa. A D visa allows you, it is a longer visa, and you can use the D visa to switch for your temporary residence. It does depending on your reasons, whether work, study, or marriage, and other reasons. Another question came from Elijah. He asked, if I open a salon hairdressing, will I be able to live in Serbia as self-employed? Yes, it's possible, but you got to do it in a right way. With this, you got to have the lawyers and people to guide you. You open a company, and it's possible. Opening business is allowed in Serbia, so as long as you pay the taxes and you're operating legally, hairdressing business is a very good business. Actually, I'm here suffering with my hair. It's now 2 weeks. I haven't yet found someone who can do my hair. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have more questions about what I've just said, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll come and talk about them. Bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.